guys? It's Outdoors Dan. We're up here at Wall Lake, Iowa. Time for another edition of the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. One of my favorite holidays is coming up, and speaking of turkeys, Mr. Speed Herrick is right here.
My old favorite, Turkey Dan.
Yeah, you're just lucky. Never mind. So, you know, we're getting close to Thanksgiving, and I know you love the holidays as well as I do. You love to cook, and you know, when I have you on the radio, we always get questions about turkeys, especially this time of year for Thanksgiving when you're out there grilling or smoking. And you know, we've already talked a little bit about brining earlier in the season, and brining's really important unless you brine a domestic bird. If you got a domestic bird, they're already brined.
Yeah, that's right.
You taught me that.
Yep.
See, another thing he taught me.
See, by golly, I can teach you something.
Just a few.
You're not as slow as you look.
But if you don't have a domestic bird, you definitely want to brine them, folks. But you know, Speed, that brine is so important just to keep that moisture and hold that hold those juices in.
The other thing, Dan, is I like to, you know, whether you're smoking or grilling, whatever you want to do with the turkey. Last year I spatchcocked a turkey, and
Tell them what that means.
well, you cut out the backbone and lay it out flat, butterflied, whatever you want to call it.
And he taught me this too. That allows that to cook faster and cook more thoroughly through the bird.
Right, yeah,
Right.
because you cook it bone side down. You know, the insides are down against your grill, and it don't take long to cook it.
Well, I always take on the outside of the bird, I'll take margarine or butter or whatever that we got in the fridge, and then I'll take Cookies Flavor Enhancer and I rub that all on the outside of there. And then I always do a little marinade on my holiday birds. I'll take La Vida Local Winery down in Indianola, makes these really nice cooking wines. And I'll take that and I'll put some cookies in there and I'll put it in the syringe and inject it in the breast and the thighs and the wings. And it just gives it a different little more, or another flavor profile for the bird.
You can do a 10, 12-pound turkey spatchcocked in about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half, you know.
There's some good holiday suggestions for you. Now, if you need more help, you can always go to cookiesbarbecue.com, and Speed will get back with you. Just give them a couple days, but they're always there to help you at Cookies. That's going to wrap it up for Speed and I for another Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen segment.